Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day subtle glam look. If you guys want to see how I created this, please just keep watching. So to get started, I'm just gonna moisturize my face and my lips, just using some lip balm. And you want to make sure your hands are clean. I'm going to be using the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is like really simple on your skin. And don't forget your neck. So after that moisturizer soaked into my skin, taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Oops. Just taking my fingers on areas that I usually have a lot of pores, that I need a good barrier from my skin to my foundation. So for me, I usually crease around the corners of my nose. I'm not gonna put it on the bridge of my nose because I get really oily there and I don't want it to like start sliding off. Right here. So after the primer and everything has set, I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is just gonna make sure I have a really good base that's gonna last all night. And for foundation, I'm gonna be mixing the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation and Skincare mixed with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. My IT Cosmetics foundation is a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna do like 2 pumps. And you can see. The thing I don't like about this Wet n Wild foundation is it smells like paint. So I'm gonna take my damp Real Techniques brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I like to start on my cheeks because that's where I usually have a lot of redness. Don't forget to drag below. Alright, so after foundation's all on, I'm gonna take my Cover FX concealer and just apply that underneath my eyes and on my forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and set where I put my concealer using my Cover FX translucent powder. Taking this color, it's called Bottom Up. Taking this bronzer, and I'm going to take this color called Why Not. It's like this dark color. Taking the same brush I used for that pink shade, just gonna dab just a little bit and hit my brush so you don't get too much product. And just apply it kind of towards your lash line. And I'm just gonna blend out this side a little bit more with that bronzer color. So taking this little rounded dense brush, I'm going to take this color. It's called With a Twist. It's a really nice champagne color. I'm just gonna put on the inner part of my eye, my eyelid. To smoke it up a little bit, I'm gonna take that dark shade over my eyeliner. Just gonna put a very light layer. So I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics Brow Power Micro Pencil in the shade Universal Taupe. So I'm gonna clean up anywhere that I made a mess for my brows. So now that the lashes are on, I see that it does cover some of the smokiness. So I'm going to take my flat brush, and without any more product, I'm just going to apply whatever is left on that brush. Highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take a little tiny brush. So this shade is called Reply All. I'm going to be using my NARS face palette. It has the Laguna bronzer and the Orgasm blush. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take Laguna, just like dab it in there and apply it to my cheeks. Taking my Too Faced bronzer, taking an angle brush, and tone lightly. And this is not really necessary, but if you want to snatch the nose a little bit. So for blush, I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush. Alright guys, so that concludes the look. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see any other makeup looks on me, please comment down below. I'd love to hear your ideas and suggestions. And again, please stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!